Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the reel, turn off the water and fully retract the hose so the spool is free. Once done, unbolt the reel from its mount or set it on a bench to access the side plate. Make sure to wear gloves because internal parts can spring loose. Now remove the fasteners and lift the side cover carefully. You're doing this to expose the spring, ratchet pawl, and spindle, the parts that most commonly fail. You'll now examine the internals. Check the drive spring for cracks, the pawl for worn teeth, and the spool bearings for grit. When tension exists, ease it out slowly. Grip the spring with pliers and let it unwind in a controlled fashion so nothing snaps back. Once tension is neutralized, remove the damaged component and install the replacement. Align the pawl and ensure spring hooks seat correctly. Make sure to apply a light. You finish by refitting the side plate and securing all fasteners. Tighten them snug so the spool rotates without wobble. Then remount the reel if needed, turn the water back on, and slowly pull out and let the hose rewind 3 to 5 times to set spring tension. If the hose doesn't retract evenly, make sure the pawl is engaging teeth and the spring is preloaded correctly. If it still fails, recheck alignment and look for debris in the hose guides as a quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.